Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing take us straight back to the golden era of adventure. This is the 1988 Jeep Wagoneer. It is number 52 out of 250 from the Hot Wheels main line and 5 of 10 from HW the 80 series. A strong and stylish off-roader finished in beautiful matte black, giving it a timeless look. The packaging itself looks great, simple and bold. Now let's take this classic out of the pack and get a closer look at the details. Here it is, dear friend, the 1988 G Wagoneer. This casting perfectly captures the rugged personality of the real-life SUV. The matte black body gives it a stealthy look, while the grille and bumper details bring a nice look to the design. It rolls on off-road style wheels, ready for any adventure. The windows are slightly tinted and the black interior is full of details. The base is grey plastic and the overall finishing feels clean and well balanced. This beast is designed by Brandon Witowski, and this one is the 5th edition, a true blend of comfort, strength, and classic design. That's all for today's unboxing. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching and for being part of the Model Garage Islamabad. Don't go anywhere, more vintage legends and modern icons are coming your way soon.